Okay, so let's quickly go on to how to modify an array. And so I'm just going to go ahead and open the output of the array we have been working on. Where is it? Okay. Okay, so we would go ahead and modify the array. And so one of the things I want to show you is that the push and the pop. Okay. And so let's say we want to use the push to add more array. Let's say we want to add okay, there's no green here. Let's add pink. Okay, and so what we're doing is add this to using the push. Okay, and so when we do that, we would like to still loop it and see the output we get. So you see, this was the initial array. If you look at the code, this was the initial array with document wrote it out. Okay, and so we check the length and all of that. We added these two, document wrote it out and looped it, and so we should get this added. And so you see it also. You see the green, the pink. Okay, and so what it did for us is to help us add additional elements to the end. And so let's try something else called pop. Okay, let's quickly try something else called pop at this point. So I'm going to add this here. So pop actually removes the last and returns it. Okay, so let's go ahead. So you see, we popped it. And so I want to distinguish something so that I'm going to say document.write, so that we can have separate the output. Okay, so I'm just going to add this here. Okay, so what we did was that we removed the last. So if we go ahead and document.write this at this point, okay, let's see what it gives us. And so I'm trying to, okay, not here, so that I can go to the next line. And so you see, what we did was that we took off the last element here. You know, we added just a moment, let me do something. Okay, I want to add this. Okay, I wanted this red, not so this was the one we did. So we popped out, we popped out this pink and brought it and brought what we popped out and brought back the array. And so push is used to add elements, new elements to the end of the array, while pop is used to remove elements at the end of the array. Another thing I want to show us is the unshift and shift, which is used to remove and add at the beginning of the elements. And I'm going to go ahead and start with the unshift. And so we see how the unshift works. And so let's see what this gives us. just a moment. I want to make sure I add a break at every output so that, and so you see we added this to the beginning of the stuff. All right, and so another thing I want to show you is the shifts. So the on shift is used to add, the shift is used to say, you know, when we say shifts from the road, I was saying get out of the way. All right, and so I just want to show that example. Boom, 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 boom. Here we are, and so we're saying, okay, not this, not this. So we're saying shift. So we're going to call this and so what it did was it returned. So if we go ahead and echo back the array, document.write the array again, after removing the first one, let me go ahead and also add this. You know why I add this line break? If you did HTML, you should understand. And so you see, excuse me, at the first we did push, then we popped it out, then now we did on shift. That's by adding this to the beginning, added these two, and so we removed the green and it returned these other ones. And so there are a couple of other things I want to show us. Okay, let me quickly show us how to use join. Okay, and so we can have an array and we want to make it a string. But before I show us join, let me show us something other important. Now we have shown you how to add at the beginning and remove. I've shown you how to add at the end and at the beginning and remove. Okay, another thing I want to show you is to how can we remove at every point. Okay, like every location, not at the beginning and the end now. And so we're going to use something called the slice and the splice. Okay.